Our world moves because a million other things move. Processes, machines, pathways, even people. But when those processes that run the world stop, we make sure things keep moving, better and easier. By being right there in it. Exploring. Using the best tools and always learning. Learning how to make pieces that don't yet exist to fit the problems we didn't know would. Creating solutions most won't see, but will move us into tomorrow. From the small to the big. We've been defining quality before anyone asked us to, because we set the standard. We forge solutions for things that don't stop moving, so the rest of the world can. We're Sentry equipment. We safeguard people and processes for a better world.